Alright. Here comes the French plane. QANTAS, flying in all the way from Paris. Fifteen and a half hours ago they departed. To the time of this video, that is. Hold on. Hold up. Look how high it's flying, gee. Look how high it's flying, goodness gracious me. And it went right above the clouds. There you go. Hold on. Hold up. There we go. It's probably gonna be, hold up, it's probably gonna be very bright if I can just, and then you'll be able to see it. At least I think you can. At least I think you can. Huh? Oh, there he is. I was gonna say, I almost lost him. But luckily I found him again. He's just right above that house. There he goes. See you later. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Pretty interesting.